Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be speaking about the Aerochamber. So this is what it looks like. This is an infant size Aerochamber. So it has the mask, it has the cylinder, and this is the sealed rubber end where your inhaler will fit into. So when you're going to use your inhaler, take the dust cover off, shake it, prime it first by spraying it into the open air, and then put it inside the end of the Aerochamber. Then you're gonna press down once. The medication will be stored in the cylinder or the chamber section until the patient takes the breath. So in children, the mask will fit perfectly over the mouth and the nose. And how you can count the breaths is just looking at the indicator here, and this section will move forward each time the child inhales. So it will look like this. So this part will move forward and you'll count 6 breaths, 6 inhalations, and that would make 1 dose. If there are more than 1 doses, then you'll press down on the canister once and then count 6 more breaths, and that would be the dose. As for infants, in adults, there may be a mask, or it can be just a mouthpiece. So the mouthpiece, you would treat it just like how you would treat your regular inhaler, but the medication is contained until you take a breath. So you would breathe out, put your lips over the mouthpiece, inhale slowly and deeply for 3 to 5 seconds. You do not want to inhale too fast because it will whistle, and that's not the correct technique. You want to hold your breath for 10 seconds or for as long as comfortable, and then breathe regularly. If it requires more than 1 dose, then you will press down once more and then repeat the steps. So that's the Aerochamber. You can also wash the Aerochamber. So you'll wash it in warm soapy water and let it dry overnight. You do not want to rub it because that will cause it to be static, and then that will pull the medication towards the plastic chamber. So do not rub it, just let it air dry overnight. So that's the Aerochamber, guys. Another trick that I've learned over the years is if you cannot afford an Aerochamber, then you can always get a plastic cup, create an opening at the bottom that will fit the inhaler, put the inhaler at the bottom of the cup through that hole, and then the opening of the cup will go over the patient's face, and then you can spray down once and put this over the child's face or the infant's face, and then just more or less watched their chest rise and fall about 6 times, and then you know that they're inhaling the medication. So that's just a little tip for people who don't have a proper Aerochamber. It does a similar job. So that's it for us today, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post it below, and please like and comment so that I can make better, exciting videos for you. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Bye.